in my many years in the Senate, from 1992 to the present, this is the first time na nakita kong bumagsak ang rating ng Senate ng below 50%. And not only that, talo ng House. Never natalo ng House sa survey ang Senate. Lagi mataas ang Senate eh. Pero this is the first time nangyari yan. And I will not be surprised if it happens in the next survey because of the controversy that happened here. No? So ang prayer ko na ngayon, if ito yung final point natin, Christian, ang prayer ko sana, yung motion for reconsideration na naka-file, sana the Supreme Court can be given a chance to rectify the 2 or 3 points doon na nagkaroon ng gulo. Doon sa kanilang decision. They want the decision, it's their prerogative. Ika nga, we should adhere to their decision. Pero sana naman, wala nang pipintasan